Hello everybody and welcome to my latest smart home video, which is all about me and how I was installed into this great ceiling mount. Received just now.
I'll just give you an idea of the sound quality with the Amazon Echo in situ in its ceiling mount. I'm currently at floor level. Alexa, what's the weather like?
Right now in New Longton, it's 0 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has snow flurries, with a high of 0 degrees and a low of -1 degrees.
Alexa, play Kasabian.
Shuffling songs by Kasabian.